What is diclofenac? Diclofenac is a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID, used to reduce pain, inflammation, and swelling. It is commonly prescribed for muscle pain, joint pain, arthritis, migraine, and postoperative pain. It is available in many forms: tablets, diclofenac sodium/potassium, injections, gels, and creams, drop suppositories. 2. Mechanism of action. How diclofenac works. Diclofenac works by blocking cyclooxygenase, COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes. These enzymes help produce prostaglandins, which cause pain, swelling, and fever. So diclofenac, prostaglandins, pain, inflammation, swelling, fever. This makes diclofenac a strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic medicine. 3. Uses of diclofenac. Diclofenac is prescribed for many conditions, including musculoskeletal pains, back pain, muscle pain, shoulder pain, sprain/strain, sports injury, joint pain, and arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, gout pain. Other uses: postoperative pain, migraine, headache, menstrual cramps, dysmenorrhea, kidney stone pain, as injection. 4. Dosage of diclofenac. Dose varies by form and condition. Always follow doctor's advice. Tablets, diclofenac sodium or potassium, 50 mg or 75 mg 1 to 2 times daily, maximum 150 mg per day. Injection, diclofenac IM, 75 mg intramuscular, can be repeated after 12 hours, maximum 150 mg per day. Gel per cream, topical, apply 2 to 4 g to affected area 3 to 4 times daily. Eye drops, UCID for eye inflammation after surgery. 5. Side effects of diclofenac. Diclofenac is effective but can cause side effects, especially with long-term use. Common side effects: stomach pain, heartburn, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Serious side effects: gastric ulcer or bleeding, kidney damage, liver enzymes, increased blood pressure, risk of heart attack or stroke. Long-term use. Injection side effects: pain or swelling at injection site, rare. Severe allergic reaction. 6. Contraindications. Who should avoid diclofenac? Avoid diclofenac if the patient has stomach ulcer, severe kidney disease, severe liver disease, heart diseases, history of GI bleeding, allergy to NSAIDs, e.g., ibuprofen, aspirin, pregnancy, especially third trimester. 7. Precautions. Take after food to avoid gastric problems. Do not combine with other NSAIDs. Avoid alcohol. Monitor kidney and liver function in long-term use. Use lowest effective dose for shortest duration. 8. Brands of diclofenac. Common brand names: Voltaren, Cataflam, Diclorin, Diclomax, Dilaject, Diclodilvavarin.